viewers, Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel. It's full and full education and entertainment. Watch the video carefully and learn it everything.
Hi students, good morning to all. So now we continue the same chapter, cube and cube root. Okay, so first we need to recall it. So the properties of cube number. So yesterday I just informed about the properties. What are the properties? The first one, cube of all odd numbers are odd. So cube of all odd number is r. And the same way, cube of all even numbers are dash. Cube of all given numbers are dash. If you take any of the even numbers, for example, if you take 2, the cube of 2 it become 8, and the cube of 4 it become 64. Now you see 8 is an even number and 64 is an even number. So 6 you take means 6 cube it become 216. 216 is an even number. So cube of all even numbers are even. And next, cube of negative integers are dash. Negative integers already I told, if you take negative value you can multiple in even counting it become plus, odd counting it become negative. So cube means the power 3, so that value can be multiple 3 times. 3 means you need to multiple in a odd counting times, so it become only negative. So cube of negative integers are negative. Cube of rational numbers can written as. So how the rational number is? So P by Q is the form of rational number. P by Q is a form of rational number. If you cube the value, so cube of rational number, cube of numerator and cube of denominator. So P cube divided by Q cube is the format. To return the rational number can be, you need to cube the rational number, it can be written as P cube divided by Q cube. So today we have to learn about cube root. What is meant by cube root? Cube root is nothing but, for example, 4 cube. How you can return this one? 4 into 4 into 4. It become 64. So same way you can take cube root. So cube root means cube root of 64. In the reverse order you can written like this. Reverse order you can written like this. So cube root of 64 is nothing but 4. How it happened? So this one 4 cube can be written this one like this. Okay, so it becomes 64 equal to 4. So how it happens means you go to 64 and you take prime factorization. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, and here 2 2s are 4. Same way 1 2 is 2, remaining 1 it become 12, 6 2s are 12. So how many times? 8 times. 8 2s are 16, and 8 becomes 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 1. So here you can see all the values, all the factors are 2. There is no 4. How it is possible it become 4? So now you need to go to write the factor inside of this cube root. Instead of 64 you can return all this factor. How many 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So cube root means that should be the pair is seems to be 3. You can take one set. 1 2 3 you make one set. 1 2 3 because same. So now you can return 3 means you take 1 out. Again another 3 means you take 1 out. So now 2 into 2 4. So 4 is the cube root of 64. So cube root is nothing but the cube root of 64 equal to 4. How you can calculate? You have to take 1 out of 3. 1 out of 3. So square root you need to take 1 out of 2, but here 1 out of 3. Okay, so now you got the idea to find out cube root. So this is one of the way to find out the cube root by prime factorization. Another one method, cube root by successive subtraction. So cube root by successive subtraction. So what is meant by cube root by successive subtraction? You need to subtract the values, you get a cube root. So already I told, so 1 cube which is equal to 1. Okay, so cube root of 1 is always 1. The same way 2 cube which is equal to 8. Okay, so cube root of 8 is nothing but 2, and then 3 cube is equal to 27. So cube root of 27 equal to 3. Okay, so you can write the cube root like this. So what is the combination? You need to, here we have a successive subtraction. Successive subtraction means you need to subtract next value. Okay, you need to subtract next value. That means higher one by lower one. Okay, so now before that, for example, in a square, 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9. So you can subtract, for example, you need to find out the square root of 16 means 16 minus 1, and next 15 minus 3, and then 12 minus 5. Like this you can make use of the odd numbers. How it becomes the odd numbers? You can take 4 minus 1, 3, 9 minus 4, 5. So first you take 1 means 1, 3, 5 is the sequence order to subtract to find out the square root. The same way you need to subtract. For example, what is 0 cube which is equal to 0, 1 cube which is equal to 1. So 1 cube minus 0 cube which is equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. And next 2 cube minus 1 cube equal to 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Next 3 cube minus 2 cube. These are the successive cube. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 8 which is equal to 19. And next 4 cube minus 3 cube. So 64 minus 27. 64 minus 27, 14 minus 7, you get 4. And then 5 minus 2, you get 3. 34. Now you can see 1, 7, 19, 34. So these are all the, now here you can see the pattern. So the difference of this two, 6. Different of this two, 12. Different of this two, so 14 minus 7 become 7. Okay, difference of this one, it become 18. Okay, so this is the sequential order. Okay, so it can be written in the form 1 plus n into n minus 1 into 3. Okay, so if you give 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 1 into 3, 1 plus 1 into 0 into 3, which is equal to 1. So you get 0, totally the value is 1. So in the same way, if take n equal to 2, 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3, 1 plus 2 into 1 into 3. If 1 plus 6 which is equal to 7. If n equal to 3, you take it as 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 1 into 3, which is equal to 1 plus 3 into 2 into 3. If you get 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, you get plus 19. So you got the sequential order 1, 7, 19, 1719. So as the same method, you have to find out the square root by successive subtraction by using of odd number in the sequence to subtract the successive square. The same way you need to find out the sequence to find out successive subtraction by using of successive subtraction the cube value. Okay, so what is the successive format? You need to take 1, 7, 19 and then 37. Next you seems to be it seems 20, it seems to be 61, etc. So these are the pattern to find out the values. Now we can go with example how to find out the cube root by using successive subtraction. Example 1. Find the cube root of 216 by successive subtraction. Solution. So already explained about how to find out the successive subtraction by using sequence. So subtract the number sequence 1, 7, 19, 37, 61, 91, etc. from 216 till we get 0. So first you need to write this sentence for all the question. Okay, so which one is changes? Here the number will change. Subtract the number sequence 1, 7, 19, 37, 61, 91. These are all same from 216. This question only changed. So now you need to go for the subtraction process. So first 216 subtract by 1. You get 215. Next 215 subtract with next sequence is 7. So what you get? You get 208. So 208 subtract with 19. So what you get? So you need to get, you subtract. So this one become 18. 18 minus 9, 9. And this one become 9. So 199. 199. Sorry, here 9 is there. 9 minus 1, 8. So you take 189. So 189. What is the next sequence number? 37. If you subtract 37, 9 minus 7, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 152. Again, so there is no 0. 152. Next sequence 61. Minus 61. So 2 minus 1, 1. 15 minus 6, 9. 91. So 91 minus next sequence is 91, which is equal to 0. So you can see not equal to 0, this one not equal to 0, this one not equal to 0, this one not equal to 0. When you get, so this is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. So we get 0 at step 6. We get 0 in step 6. Therefore, cube root of 216 is nothing but 6. So how many step? Which step we get 0? That is the answer. So cube root of 216 is equal to 6. So again I recall. So 1, 7, 19, 37, 61, 91. These are the sequence to find out the cube root by using successive subtraction. So in the same way, square root, already you know square root, how you find out the successive subtraction. It becomes 2 square minus 1 square, 3 square minus 2 square, 4 square minus 3 square, like that. So 4 minus 1 equal to 3, and then 9 minus 4 equal to 5, 16 minus 9 equal to 7. Now before that 0 square minus 1 square which is equal to 1 square minus 0 square. 1 square minus 0 square. 1 minus 0 which is equal to 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the sequence to find out square root by successive subtraction. The same way 1 cube minus 0 cube which is equal to, how you get 1 minus 0 which is equal to 1. 2 cube minus 1 cube which is equal to 2 cube. 8 minus 1 which is equal to 7. Next 3 cube minus 2 cube which is equal to 27 minus 8 which is equal to 19. 4 cube minus 3 cube which is equal to 64 minus 27 which is equal to, what you get? You get 37. So now you see the sequence 1, 7, 19, 37. These are the sequence to find out the cube root by successive subtraction. By using this sequence, we have to find out the square root of 216. So sixth step we get 0. So cube root of 216 is equal to 6. And by this same method, I have to attach the worksheet. You need to complete on the day itself. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching ஆஹா நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. மறக்காம இந்த சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை